In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva not downloading my video. First, let's start by waiting for Canva to finish processing your video. When you upload or create a large video, it can take some time for the platform to process everything. You may see a message that says preparing your design. This is a normal part of the process, and it's essential to be patient. The processing time can vary depending on the size and complexity of your video. You might want to use this time to gather any additional materials or resources you might need later. Remember, rushing this step can lead to incomplete downloads or errors. Next, while waiting, keep Canva open on your screen. This is crucial because closing the tab or navigating away can interrupt the processing. Canva needs to work uninterrupted to ensure your design is finalized correctly. If you navigate away, you may have to start the process over again, which can be frustrating. So make sure your focus remains on Canva until you see that the processing is complete. This ensures a smooth transition to the next steps without any unnecessary sitbacks. Now that you've waited a few minutes, check if the design has finished processing. You will know it's ready when you no longer see the preparing your design screen. Instead, you should see your video ready for download. This is a good sign. It means that Canva has worked its magic and your design is complete. If it's still processing, be patient and don't rush the system. It will be worth the wait when everything is ready for you to download. Once that is done, it's time to change the download format. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of your Canva screen. This button is often represented by an icon that looks like an arrow pointing upward. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. Choosing the right format is key, especially if the default one is causing issues. This little step can save you a lot of time later by ensuring that the video downloads correctly. After you click Share, look for the download option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This action will take you to a new set of options. Here you can specify how you want your video to be downloaded. Selecting the proper format is critical to avoid errors. It also ensures compatibility with your desired playback devices, so take a moment to make sure you are selecting the right format for your needs. Next, select MP4 video from the format options. MP4 is one of the most widely accepted video formats, making it a safe choice for various platforms and devices. Choosing this format will help minimize any potential playback issues. It's a common format that balances quality and file size, so your video will look great without being too large. This is important because it makes sharing and uploading easier later on. Now that you have made your selections, try downloading the video again. Click the download button once more to initiate the process. You should see a loading indicator as Canva prepares your video for download. If everything has been set correctly, your video should begin to download without any issues. If it does download successfully, you will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your efforts have been fruitful. If you follow these steps closely and patiently, you should be able to fix any downloading issues with Canva. Remember, processing large videos takes time, so don't rush it. Thank you for watching and happy designing.